Alright guys, so this is one of my tomato plant right here. It's a cherry tomato plant. This video is for beginners, just giving you guys a really quick tip how to prune and how to take care and how to get your tomato plant to grow in the best. If you guys look right here, I do have more beautiful tomatoes coming up right there. And this year I've been growing lots of tomatoes, but right here real quick, first of all, the container is too small for this one, so I'm going to transplant. When you got a small container just like this, guys, just put your hand like this, flip the container over, and you could transplant it anywhere, so you're not going to mess the root or anything. Basically, from your tomato plant, when you're going to start pruning, make sure it's about a feet, 12 inches high before you even start pruning or getting the plant stressed out. So right here coming up from your main stem, you can see a branches here with your leaf, and between the leaves and the branch there's another growth point right there. That's what's called the suckers. That's a new growth point. You don't need that from the beginning. You're gonna pull these out until the top. If you see any of them the top, don't pull them out, because this is going to grow into a new section of your tomato plant, will produce tomato later on. But it takes a longer time, so what you want to do, make sure you pulled anything out in the middle between the main stem, between the main stem and the branch. There's always going to grow the suckers right there. You want to make sure you go ahead and pull them out. This way your plant is going to be pushing more energy towards the growth of the plant, and you're going to get faster production like this. Now we have a lot of branch and leaves right now, so what I'm going to do, you could bend them off, or you could just get a little pruner. I take off the little two bottom leaves there, a couple leaves, so see that? Removing the suckers and taking off some of the bottom leaf. Now from the root is going to be pushing up energy, coming up straight up now. So instead of wasting energy behind a new sucker or these bottom leaves, the plant's going to be focused more pushing to the top. The plant is going to grow faster and is going to produce. Now with tomato plant, the steps that I just did, you're going to have to repeat it because they grow really big. So as they're growing, you want to make sure every couple of days, for 4 or 5 days, keep checking on them and keep doing it, removing the suckers, and then start taking out these two bottom. Once the leaf, the plant comes somewhere here, you're gonna get a bunch more leaf, and then you could start take off this two. And as you keep going, guys, and this way your tomato plant is and will be producing faster and more. I'll show you guys a real quick in the greenhouse. I just pulled out everything here. I'm gonna clean this out, and basically I got kale, mustard, and bok choy. I'm gonna be planting some here, some outside. And quick look at the greenhouse, everything coming up here, guys. Trying to clean up right now.